Good evening. I've had somewhat of a craving for some potatoes. So this evening I'm going to make some lime pepper roasted potatoes. This is accent practice. So on with it. I want to try something a bit different this evening. So, yes, I just wanted some potatoes. And I also tried the cut. So, I wanted to try the lime pepper by Badia. Of course, I have to go in with the complete seasoning just to give a little bit of a deeper dimension of flavor. I'm using Yukon Gold potatoes. And of course, I'm out of olive oil. Olive oil. I'm out of olive oil. So I use vegetable oil instead. Cut! Anywho, I'm going to season these. I've already put the vegetable oil in the bottom of the pan. It was about a tablespoon or so. I put it in the bottom of the pan. And then I took the potatoes. I washed them and then I sliced them in half moon sort of shapes. And then I'm going to toss this around. I'm going to add some onions that I already had in the fridge because I was going to use them for something else. And then I figured, let me just put them in the potatoes that I'm going to make this evening. So yes, such a simple and easy recipe. Essentially, this is only 5 ingredients: the potatoes, onions, the oil, the complete, and then the lime pepper. We're trying a different flavor tonight. I'll always use garlic and Italian seasoning and lots of herbs and paprika. But tonight, I want to keep it a bit simple and I want to keep it a bit fresh. So I'm going to go in with the lime pepper. This is my first time doing this here. It's my first time. Let me season and I'll be back. Everything has been seasoned. Keep in mind, I did not use plain salt. There's already loads of salt in the seasoning on its own. So we're not going for necessarily salty. We're going for flavorful, jam-packed flavor. So I put a bit of Badia and then I put a bit of the lime pepper. We'll see how this goes. Just toss it all about in your pan. Lay it all in a flat layer so that everybody gets contact with the pan, thus giving us that luscious caramel color that we all love. Watch my oven fry video. See, the thing of it is, you can always add more seasoning, but you can't take it away. So therefore, we do not want to over-season our food. Cut. We do not want to overdo it. All right, into the oven. The oven is already preheated on 400 degrees Fahrenheit, of course. I'll be back. Yes. 400 degrees. Who? 400 years. 400 years. Random thinking in my head right now. 400 is the number for the day. 400. Tonight on Sasha Fierce TV, we're taking the simple potato to a different level tonight, using the Badia complete seasoning, the Saison completa, and the lime pepper, pimento lima. Be sure to check on them after about 15 minutes to see what is going on here. Not ready yet. So about 20 minutes have passed and I gave them a toss. And you want to make sure that they're not sticking on the pan. Sometimes I will opt to put cooking spray, but I don't have any cooking spray this evening. These are definitely fork tender. I'm going to put them back into the oven just so they can cook a little bit longer. Definitely don't want those onions to burn, so make sure you give those a good toss. So this is what you end up with. I wasn't necessarily going for really crunchy, and these little bits are quite tasty. So, literally just took them out to the oven. Very hot. But I want to taste one so that I can tell you how they taste before I let you go. Hot, hot, very hot. Giving it a bit of a taste for you guys. Hot. Giving it a quick blow. Okay. So what I'm going to do is serve these with a bit of steak sauce. No steak with it, but steak sauce. So I'm going to just sprinkle with just a bit more of the lime pepper. I went sort of light. This is a lightly salted dish, lightly salted. So I'm going to put some more of the lime pepper on top to bring out the lime pepper flavor. Please, not too much. Please, not too much of the lime pepper, just enough. Let's do that now. Literally did not put that much, or that a crispy bit. Hold on, a crispy bit. Okay, y'all. That concludes accent practice. Y'all be ready. These are delicious, y'all. Only 2 seasons. Y'all try this recipe out. Thank y'all so much for watching this video, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Okay, y'all. Some just told me to sprinkle some Tajin on top too to bring out that extra lime flavor. Now, I just sprinkled the Tajin on at the end. Baby, let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. They fire, y'all. I just had to come back and tell y'all that, y'all, this is so delicious, y'all. Please try this recipe out. Lime, pepper, oven roasted potatoes and onions. Lime, pepper, roasted potatoes and onions. Y'all, this that Tajin at the end. Bussin'. A great new way to eat potatoes, y'all. You can count on that Tajin to pump it up. Go, Tajin. Okay, now for real though. Thank y'all so much for watching this video, and I'll see y'all on the next one.